Introducing the brand new app for Unity School District on Android and iPhone. It's everything Unity Schools in your pocket. This is the home screen. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom left to see all the menu items. To turn on push notifications, tap Settings and select Turn on Notifications. The Events section shows a list of events throughout the school. You can use this button to add an event to your calendar, or tap here to share the event with friends and family. The feed is where you'll find updates from administration about what's going on throughout the school, whether that's celebrating a student's success or reminding you about an upcoming deadline. Search Unity School District Wisconsin in the App Store or Play Store to explore the app for yourself. It's everything Unity Schools in your pocket.